Morning guys, it's Saturday. We've just had a quick job in on a Z4 for a different suspension alignment and to fix his exhaust, which has been knocking. We did it about a year ago. It's quite a common thing on that one. We're just going to be doing some work now on the X5 we bought, the shed effectively. So if you watch the latest vlogs, you will see some new footage on there. We've just uploaded a video. We're going to be uploading a few more over the next few weeks, just showing us how we can restore quite an old tatty shed of a car to actually make it look quite presentable, nice to drive and enjoyable. And that's just something that we can do as a service for you, and this is a bit of a demo to really show you what we can actually do with that. So as you can see, we've basically got Finn in at the minute. He's doing a bit of like youth training, work experience, and we're just showing him how to actually get the carpets clean using different brush tools, which you can easily buy. It's quite cheap. Our refresh product, which really does clean the carpets. We're not just saying that. Anybody who buys off us knows how well that works. And then we're just going to go over it with a wet back later to actually bring any of the water and the solution back out of it. And we'll show you how clean we've actually got this boot and the rest of the car probably on the next vlog.